Choose the page you'd like to translate and open the order form. Select the service, the due date and the cost center. Decide if you need to translate only the selected item or the item with its child blocks, or with some of the child blocks. Select the target languages. You can use filters to quickly find the required target language. For example, if you need to make an order for target languages that were not previously ordered, set the Never Started status in the filter. Review and confirm the order. Click the Details button to open the order view and track your order statuses. To publish your translations, click the Publish button and choose the required content items and the target languages. Confirm and check the result. Get in touch with the iLangL team to try the new extension for iLangL.